Question number 6, we're trying to simplify the rational expression. So I want to factor both the top and the bottom. Now the top, I can't really factor anything out. So I'm just going to rewrite that, but with parentheses. The bottom, though, that's a difference in two squares. So I'm going to put my two parentheses, my minus and my plus. And then what two numbers multiply together to give me 4? That would be 2 and 2. What two numbers multiply together to give me 25x squared? That would be 5x. Okay, so nothing on the bottom and nothing on the top match. However, if you look at these two, this is actually a special case where we have the same two numbers, both subtraction, and the order is different. And when that happens, they can actually cancel out, but they'll leave behind a -1. So let me rewrite that. So if it's the same numbers, both subtraction, and the order is different, they will cancel but leave behind -1, or they cancel out to be a -1. So normally when we cancel, it equals 1. And because we're multiplying, we don't even usually put the 1, unless we have to put something on top, then we would put 1. But here, these two will cancel, but instead of just leaving a 1, they leave a -1. And that would be our answer. So I do want to talk about why it is. I mean, the question's over, but I want to talk about why that works. So, I mean, the rule is it has to be the same numbers, both subtraction, in different order. So if you just took two normal numbers, like 9 and 7, and we did 9 minus 7 over 7 minus 9, then that would be 2 over -2, which is equal to -1. So it works for just those two numbers. It should work for any number. So if we pick two other numbers like 5 and 8, 5 minus 8 over 8 minus 5, that would be a -3 over a 3, which is equal to -1. So any two numbers that you pick, this should work. The other way that I like to explain it is that it's like you're factoring out a -1. So we have a 5x minus 2 over 2 minus 5x. And let's factor -1 out of the top. Now when you factor by a -1, it's like you're dividing by -1. So 5x divided by -1 is -5x. -2 divided by -1 is a +2. And this is all over 2 minus 5x. So then, still looking at the top, I can rearrange this within the parentheses as long as I keep the signs the same. Meaning as long as it's a +2 and a -5x, I could rearrange that order. So -1 times 2 minus 5x over 2 minus 5x. And then you can see that these do cancel out, and there is that -1 left over there. So again, this is a special case where same numbers, both subtraction, different order, they will cancel out, but they cancel out to be a -1.